First impressions of the Pantheris 6 French small vessel device that was used in the anterior tibial artery this morning. The lesion was in the proximal anterior tibial artery. It was relatively focal, eccentric, and moderately calcified lesion. This is really the only device I think that I would feel safely using as far as an atherectomy device in this type of disease. Having the live OCT image to redirect the cutting blade at the disease was key in being successful with it. We made multiple passes of the catheter, at least 12 passes of the catheter with just short advancements and retractions, and recovered a good amount of plaque. We used no contrast in the procedure. The initial images, again, were with a small amount of CO2 and identifying the lesions further with the intravascular ultrasound, and the total fluoroscopy time was just over 5 minutes. Following the atherectomy, we did repeat imaging with both CO2 and intravascular ultrasound that revealed minimal residual disease, no dissection, and nothing really left at that point that I felt the need to do any balloon angioplasty.